Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to create or add your employee. To add an individual employee, on the home page, click Team. Scroll down to Employees. Click on Onboard or click the plus sign next to Onboard. There are 6 tabs, namely your personal details, official details, PF and ESI, leave details, other info, and salary details. Please note that all mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. Click Personal Details. Enter the employee code as per the company records. You can also auto-generate the code. To auto-generate the code, go to Company Settings. Click Configure Rules. Go to Setup Rules. Check the box Generate Employee Code automatically. Enter the code format and click Save. After entering the employee code, enter the employee name. Enter the date of birth. Please ensure the employee is above 18 years of age. The system will not allow you to enter a date of birth that is less than 18 years. If entered, you will get the following message: employees are minor to access the system. Select the appropriate gender from the drop-down. Enter the email address. Ensure the correct email address is updated, as all email communication will be sent to this email ID. You can upload your employee's photo. Please note that only image files are allowed. Enter other details like your address, city, state, phone number, mobile number, emergency number, PAN number, which is your permanent account number, which is required to file the income tax returns. Aadhaar number is required for all social security benefits. Select the tax status from the drop-down, that is resident, NRI, or expat. Click Next, and you will be in the Official Details tab. Enter the date of joining, which is in the DD, MM, YYYY format. Select the appropriate location or branch. The location where your employee works will have an impact on statutory contributions like professional tax, labor welfare fund, etc. Select the job type from the drop-down. You have options like probation, permanent, contract, consultant, pensioner, family pensioner. So if an employee joins on probation, select probation. Enter the number of months in the confirmation period box. Once the probation is completed, then you will have to manually change the status to permanent. Select the payment mode from the drop-down, which is bank transfer, check, or cash. If you select bank transfer, you will have to update the bank account number. Select the appropriate details from the drop-down for your department, designation, and level. If the required field is not available in the drop-down, you can create the same under Settings, under Create Master. Enable ESS. Enable this option if you wish to provide ESS access to your employee. You can refer to our video on how to generate ESS logins to your employees. Click Next, and you will be taken to the PF and ESI tab. If PF is applicable, then check the box. Employee has PF, and the same holds for ESI. Enter the PF UAN number, which is a universal account number, the PF number, the enrollment date, the EPF number. You can select the relationship from the drop-down. Please check the box entitled to EPS, which is the Employee Pension Scheme. First-time employees joining on or after September 1st, 2014 and having a basic salary of more than 15,000 per month are not eligible for the pension scheme. You have the option to restrict the PF for all your employees by checking the box Apply Restricted Basic for employee PF calculations. If ESI is applicable, check the box Employee has ESI. If the employee's monthly fixed gross is less than INR 21,000, then the employee will be covered under ESI. Enter the ESI number. Click Next. All the leave types created in the leave master will be displayed. Select only those which are applicable to an employee and enter the opening balance, if any. The system calculates the accrued leave against each leave type based on the configuration. Click Next. If you wish to capture any other field like band, employee category, and division, you can update the fields. You can update any user-defined fields which you have created. Now coming to the salary details. CTC. Enter the annual CTC amount. CTC is the cost to company. Enter the flexi benefit plan amount if FBP is applicable in the salary structure. Variable pay. If variable pay is part of the CTC, enter the variable pay amount. Display CTC based components. Check this box to filter out only CTC based components, that is the salary components which are part of the CTC. Click Calculate. The salary breakup automatically takes place for all formula-driven components. Salary components that are not formula-based should be entered manually. Difference amount. If there is a difference between the CTC amount and the total salary breakup, the same would reflect here. You need to make the necessary adjustments to ensure the differential amount is nil. Click Finish and your employee is added successfully. Now, to upload the employees in bulk, click on Teams, go to Onboard, click the arrow key next to Onboard. Check Calculate New Joinee Arrears. To calculate the arrears for employees who have joined between the month or the previous month after the payroll cutoff date. Go to the instruction sheet to read the steps to be followed to enter employee details. As per the instructions, navigate to each sheet like employee, pay, leave, and UDF to enter the relevant details. All the fields marked in red are mandatory fields. Please ensure all the master details like department, designation, location, bank, etc. should be taken from the drop-down provided or from the details in the help sheet. The format and the name should match to the details provided in the sheet. Once updated, save the file to the local drive. Click Choose File, click Import. Once import is updated, click Close and your employees are imported successfully. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.